Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cute beach ball, so let's get started. To draw this beach ball, I'm going to use my IKEA cup here as my circle template. So I'm just going to go ahead and just trace my cup right here. So just use whatever you have at home if you're drawing pretty big and you need a perfect circle. Okay, so I have my circle in. Now from there, I'm going to start by drawing the Draw So Cute eyes. And so in this area, kind of below the center, I'm going to start and just draw a circle. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now to make them Draw So Cute eyes, I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. Okay, so now that I have my eyes in, I'm going to come up right here and just draw a slight curve on top of each eye. Just to anchor it so it doesn't look like it's floating. And then in the center right here, I'm just going to draw a smile. So nice curve and cap it off. So that is pretty much it. From there, you can make this a sun if you wanted to, right? You can make it anything, actually. But today we're gonna make it a beach ball. So in this area right here, towards the edge, in this area, I'm just gonna draw an oval. So about right here, I'm gonna draw an oval for where all the colors connect. And now that I have my oval in, I'm going to start to draw all the curves to separate the different panels. So I'm going to, let's start about right here. Just pick a spot, I'm going to say about right here, and I'm just going to bring in a curve. And then I'm going to start about right here in the center and bring it down. So there's going to be 6 different panels. And then another one over here, and curve it. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come in this area right here and draw another one. That it is. So then from there, we're going to come about right here. Come about right here, continue it. And we're going to come down all the way here. So just make it nice and round. There. Okay, so now the other one's about right here. And I'm going to basically just bring it all the way down here. Here. So about right here. So that's pretty much it for this cute little beach ball. Hope you guys love how it turned out and made it easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.